Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to move your BUSD from Uphold to a more secure Tangem wallet. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account set up and your Tangem wallet ready to receive funds. Tangem wallets are great for offline storage, keeping your assets safer from online threats. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your BUSD balance. It should be listed under your crypto holdings. Next, select the BUSD you want to transfer. Click on it to open the details, then look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to choose the network for the transfer. Make sure it's compatible with Tangem, like BEP20 for BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain, to avoid any errors. Now, enter the destination address from your Tangem wallet. Double-check this address because crypto transfers are irreversible. Input the amount of BUSD you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. These can vary, so aim to transfer enough to cover costs without overdoing it. Hit the confirm button and verify the details one last time. You'll get a confirmation screen. Go ahead and approve it. Depending on network congestion, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to ensure the BUSD has arrived. A quick pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices secure to prevent hacks. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, contact Uphold support right away. And there you have it. Your BUSD is now safely in your Tangem wallet. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.